If you think about it, ako, lagi akong nag-start ng mga negosyo, wala akong capital.
Paano?
Right? In many cases, number one, find partners who will complement you, right? I always believe, if you have a good product, right? If you have a good, kahit paano, good reputation, someone will fund you. Someone will always fund you. Of course, there are some na I use my own money. Yung iba, yung first 3 business ko naman, sarili kong sweldo yun eh. Talagang tago ko. Then, okay, game. Right? So, for me, I don't think capital is an issue. Many people blame capital, yung access to capital as a limitation. But I would always say, show me any business idea. People will invest. You also have another group ng mga business people who I talk to. Maraming ibang groups yan, ng mga networks na naghahanap lang ng business idea. At the same time, ito isa pa. I'm very lucky. I think this is okay to open for everyone also. For example, I'm early on, when I was 20, 21, nung nag-start ako ng job, naging member ako ng JCI, di ba? Junior Chamber, Manila. So, nagka-access kagad ako sa mga people who are business people.
Network siya.
Yung network talaga, palakihin mo. On your own, talagang di mo kakayanin. Wala ka talagang capital, di mo makakayanin. Pero once you have a network, sabi mo, maliit lang naman pero nakaipon ng 100,000, nakapag-open na ako ng first business mo, country style eh, yung donut. So, naka-open na kami, 5 kami nun. Right? We were able to open kahit na maliit na share lang. Right? And then later on, okay, may kinita. Okay, next business. Next business ko, dog food. So, wala akong aso. Pero, pwede. So, nagkumita ng konti. Next business ulit. So, you're able to grow. Right now, when I start business, usually some business I start, they ask me to join. They give me a few % of the company in exchange for, again, wala na talagang capital. No? Yung last few ko, talagang they just use my network, my experience, my guidance. Usually, these are younger people. So, they want my guidance and experience. Ko, maging part ka ng network. Kaya sabi ko, labanan ng 5 to 9 eh. So, ako, when I was way younger, member ako ng Junior Chamber. Nag-member ako ng Philippine Marketing Association. Imagine mo, first job ko, 12,000. Membership ng Philippine Marketing Association for 1 year is 12,000. So, 12,000 ang sweldo ko. Iti-take home ko lang noon dati, 8,000. So sabihin ko pa sa PMA, ako yung nakiusap, pwede bang ambag 1,000 naman? Hindi ko kaya. Pero sabi ko, okay lang, wala akong iuwi. Okay lang, wala akong iuwi para sa sarili ko. Pero mag-invest talaga ako sa association kasi labanan sa network. Always remember, no, meron tayong pinifeel. Ang first na kailangan punuin is yung utak eh. Okay. Kailangan may knowledge ka. After you do knowledge, then skills. Skills, meaning ginagawa mo hanggang pigit mata, di ba pag basketball, minsan alam mo na eh, pigit mata, makaka-shoot ka na. Skills. So dati, marunong kang pumwesto, marunong kang knowledge, skills, now is now the experience. After you have both, then the third is the connection, the network. Yes. Yeah, no knowledge, no skills, tapos pag pera lang ang motivation, maipit ka. Kakabusing ka eh. Right? Hindi ka, para kang chess, alam mo isang move lang. So pag gumalaw yung iba, di mo na alam saan ka pupunta. So bagsak ka. Right? So that's why it's important. It's so important for you to keep on learning and learning. Sabi ko nga, ako I listen to Searching Keys vlog, content because I get pieces of wisdom. Those are yung pieces of wisdom. Imagine mo, wisdom means experience through the years. Tapos sinamarize yung piece of wisdom, tapos kukunin mo na lang. Ayaw mo ba? Diba? And imagine that if you can get nuggets of wisdom from so many people. Some, okay, may sense, some wala. Diba? Kung ang dami mong pina-follow, but you get to put everything in. Then ikaw na mag-distill what is relevant to you or not. Then imagine, once you get the experiences of others, then you can make better decisions. Labanan sa 5 to 9, 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Always remember also, the world is moving very fast. If you do not study, if you do not implement what you have studied and you do not go out, wala kang masabi. Nasa sa'yo lahat ng bola. Right? So you cannot complain and there is no excuse.